video on YouTube of a guy taking a dent out of an Audi, basically saying that these repairs can only be got to 85%, professing to be some PDR trainer. Well, I'm just going to show you this one and show you that actually PDR can be perfect even when it has to be glue pulled. So this is an Audi TT in aluminium, so it makes it slightly worse to work on than the steel one that he did, but yeah, here we go, going in. Going in with a slide hammer rather than the lifter, as we don't want to leave any press marks in the panel, do we? Just change the shape of the tab. Obviously, I need to apologise about the noise because we're out here in nature. Need to talk about what names I call my tools. Unless you really want to, then this is Mr. S slide hammer. You'll also notice is the lack of heat gun and all of this malarkey. Contrary to popular belief, the heat is only to warm the paint. It does make no difference whatsoever to how soft the metal will be. Especially when you're working with aluminium, because the heat's gone pretty much as soon as you take the heat gun off. Okay, here's the finished article. Just put the board down and you can see it on the panel. There we go. No distortion, no mess. Wouldn't actually know I've been there, just so you know there's been no drilling hole shenanigans. There's the door shut. So there we go. So this is magnetic high spot tool. See? Stick to your toolbox. Will not stick to the Audi. So, there you go. One aluminium, paintless dent repair, 100% perfect. Thanks for watching.